What's going on, YouTube? So, welcome. Just saw an accident right there. I'm not sure who's at fault. It looks like everybody's okay. They're standing up. It's a really stupidly foggy morning. Trying to get through this traffic here. So I'm carrying like a backpack right now, and I have extra stuff like strapped into my rear passenger seat because I don't have a freaking top case. So I gotta figure out that luggage system soon, or else this is super annoying for having an adventure bike with no bags. Sorry if the camera is a little foggy. This water is just everywhere. It's like a very dense fog. Yeah, the GSA fits just fine in between these cars. Makes you think how much space you really have, you know, on a regular bike. There's a lot of people that lane split around here that are like super scared. They have all the flashers on and everything, and going like they won't go unless like the space is much wider than what I'm doing right now. But as you can see, the GSA fits just fine. You know, I guess that's their limit. When I had my Multistrada, I thought that one was super wide, and it turns out this one is an even wider bike. So this is you gotta watch out for these people. Some of these people are just complete idiots. Like that van that almost just merged into me. Most of the time people here just don't care, you know. San Francisco Bay Area, they just don't care. Like they'll just run over you and not even stop. So it's nice to be on a big bike like this, so that if they do hit you, it'll still get damaged, but it will survive for the most part. Yeah, my general rule of thumb is I let people lane split ahead of me because I like having a guide, even though I could just lead the pack. I don't like leading the pack. It's just my mental thing. I like having somebody set the pace, or you know, give everyone else a warning. And usually they have a louder sounding exhaust. That one is way too. That guy's really fast, and I can't chase him. Anyway, but yeah, so you know what I mean. I like somebody just set the tone over there, and then I'll go follow you with your loud exhaust, because my GSA doesn't have any loud exhaust, so it's like super quiet. Want to give you guys a sneak peek of this commute. You guys seen this on my channel I think several times already. It's not anything special, but I guess today I'm making a commentary about it. This bike makes commuting much tolerable. It's just super comfortable. So I have a windshield. Like I'm in a bubble, super nice bubble. Yeah, this is the type that people don't let you they won't let you change lane either. You see, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the corner of my eye I can see like a truck just blocking my lane while I'm trying to lane change to the right. And it's like, you know, I can just like get over you really quickly. I don't think I can split all the way to the front there. Yeah, you don't want to be like, I really don't like standing, especially on a hill like this, stopped in traffic, because sometimes people don't stop, hit you in the back. Hasn't happened to me, but the homeless population in San Francisco. Yeah, skinny bikes. But anyway, I love commuting on this bike. I almost forgot how it felt like. So I gotta get those cases, you know, commuting needs. I gotta get the at least the top case. I might get the GV Trekker again, the plastic one, not the metal one, the one that I had before. That's like a 52-liter top case, so I think I'm gonna get that. I don't know if it's I'll get the silver one or a black one, because the silver one kind of maybe matches this bike now, because my GSA before was mostly black. So I'm not gonna make that. Fuck. That's alright. So I've been thinking about, yeah, so the GV Trekker. I'm still gonna get the Brooks Autosport panniers, I guess, again, because that's like the great value right there. Brooks Autosport. They're local to me here, so I'll probably support the local business, of course. I always try to, so, you know, because without them there won't be affordable side cases. See if my helmet is still back there, because I have my wife's helmet back there, just strapped up with a net. Still back there. It didn't fall off. It's nice. Even with all my accelerations, hard accelerations, decelerations, bumpy roads, it's all good. Switch lanes here. Switch lanes again. Alright, that's it pretty much. I just wanted to, you know, shoot a quick clip of my commute here. Now in downtown San Francisco, which is like, you know, not the nice part of downtown San Francisco. This is like the Civic Center area, and there's like a lot of homeless people and like a lot of weirdos around here all day. So it's like, you don't want to be hanging out here, but it is what it is. Next to the Tenderloin, they're all shooting up right in broad daylight, so shooting up drugs, not guns, but still. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little ride, that little lane splitting action. In the future, of course, I'm gonna record all my accessory videos in the I guess version 2 of GSA accessories, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.